So I am from the city of Toronto, Canada. And usually when I am performing my pieces, I wear hiddi iraqan and I walk across the room and share space. But my mom said, Ifrah, I don't like when you don't use microphone because nobody wants to listen to your qayla. And she said, you know, Ifrah, sasa da uqa qaylinayso. Qofku guursanaya iska yar. I said, Hoya, it's performance art, but you know, mashallah. I just completed a North American tour called the Heavy Caravan Tour, and alhamdulillah, it was amazing. And thank you, Minnesota, for sharing space and for being beautiful. We speak diasporic tongues and we breathe.